About to cook up. Alright. So we got news right now. And yeah. So we have news. For right now we just took this internal sell side. We still have sell side down here. And we left relatively equal lows down here as well. So maybe we target these highs over here probably before we draw lower, but my drawn liquidity is definitely lower. I'm so bearish on EU. Still have this order block though. I mean, I'm still bearish on GU. Still have this order block. You know, but daily candle can definitely expand higher. I mean, this 4-hour is looking pretty bullish right now. I'm gonna tread lightly today. But we definitely got buy side up here. What's up, guys? Excuse me. What's up, Conflict? What's up, Leonardo? What's up, Baravidia? Ovadia? Right now I don't really have a bias, honestly. This could go either way. Because it could take buy side and come down here to these relatively close, and then this sell side right here. Or it can continue going up because it's at an order block on the weekly, or on the daily. I mean, it could come up to this candle's high, to this weekly candle's high right here, daily. But I also note that we have a weekly fair value gap consequent encroachment right there. I'm gonna delete this real quick. So, yeah. I left some liquidity down here. So maybe we run buy stops and then we come take out sell stops. SMT between EU and GU. I don't use SMT like that, but where's the SMT? Okay, so EU took out buy side already. I don't really see the SMT. Is it? Oh, it's this high and this low, or it's this low and this low, and then this low and this low. I'm not sure. I don't use SMT. Okay, so I'm kind of interested in selling EU, but at the same time, it looks like it's rejecting off of this little order block right there. It also came off of a weekly, it filled in this imbalance, so yeah. I mean, if it was to go bullish, okay, you know what, we also just tapped into, hold on, let me delete this. We also just tapped into this 4-hour SIBI right here. So this is useful. Dude, I don't really want to trade Euro USD though. I prefer to trade GU, but GU's fair value gap is all the way up here. Damn, the dollar is crashing right now. I wouldn't be surprised if this is just to take out liquidity and then it runs this high. But right now it just looks like it's consolidating. So yeah, I think I might look for some sells on EU. I'm not even gonna lie. EU took BSL and GU did not. EU is also in a 4-hour gap. Oh, that's what you mean by SMT. Yeah. But does that mean GU is gonna continue bearish, or? Cause I don't know. I kind of do see the dollar coming up here again, as we saw liquidity up here. But this was a very large move. Okay, GU looks way better, but it didn't take buy side. Cause EU took this low out before continuing up. You feel me? I mean, the only buy side GU took out was right here. So what's NQ doing? Just NQ things. NQ doing NQ things. I feel like NQ is gonna continue up, but that's not good news for GU or EU. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait because I don't trust this at all. Yeah, you can have that trade. You can have that. I don't want to take this. GU isn't clean enough for me because it hasn't take out buy side. G and EU is, it's the same thing, but this isn't clean enough for me. Yeah, you can have this trade, bro. Whoever's taking this, you can have that. I'm not messing with NFP. Any setup, man? Not yet. It'll give another break. It might give a good entry, yeah. Honestly, what I'm looking for is probably another liquidity sweep up here, and then a break of structure, because this isn't clean enough. Like, it might win, like, don't get me wrong, but this isn't clean enough for me to take. It just looks, I don't know, it just looks weird. And the fact that GU didn't take, like, I would take this if both GU and EU took buy side. Like, so EU took buy side, but GU didn't. So that's why I'm not taking it. I'm not taking either of them. What are you waiting for? The entry? Oh, I just explained that. So, like, maybe this, like, hold on. Like, I'd be happy to take a trade on GU, but it just hasn't taken out buy side. Because like GU actually looks cleaner than EU technically because it left all this shit down here. But at the same time, you have to be wary that it just bounced off a daily order block, both of them. And you know, this is like beginning of the week kind of thing, so you know, this week might end up bullish because we also took out this low. And for GU, we're also in this order block right here. So DXY is acting sus because it's so close to the 4-hour gap. Also more sell side. 4-hour. Are you talking about this one? Yeah. Yeah, I definitely think it's gonna draw to here because like it's not just gonna take out a low and then continue. This is a fucking magnet right here. So yeah, I definitely agree with you on that. So honestly, there might not be a trade today. It just doesn't look clean. What am I saying? It's like 7:18. If you get the setup R, it would be crazy. Maybe. But like I said, this scene could 100% continue bullish if it wanted to. And it can even come up here because this is also liquidity up here. So yeah. But honestly, I don't want to take buys because yeah, I don't want to take buys. Not here. If EU were to continue higher, I mean, obviously we have this high right here. But obviously my eye is still on that 4-hour civvy. Because I mean, this in itself is a market structure shift. The only thing is, this isn't like something I'd want to get into because, like, if I wanted to see like a real market structure shift to the upside like that, I want to see something like this and then continue higher. Like, that's what I would want to see if I wanted to take buys, but for right now, I'm still bearish. And then on the DXY, yeah, we're still approaching that 4-hour BISI. So we'll see how it reacts there. If it gets a nice little reaction there, and if not, well, because also keep in mind, we just took buy side right here, and then, you know, we might continue market structure shifting, but obviously we have this high up here, and we just took this liquidity out. So, you know, it might need a pullback, a deep pullback before it continues. So yeah. G approaching the first BSL. Yeah, that's what makes me think it's not gonna go bearish, honestly. And so if it doesn't go bearish, I'm not taking a trade. Because it just took this low out and then skyrocketed, and it's pretty fucking far from these relatively equal lows. Dude, this coffee tastes like shit. This coffee isn't even good. If EU decides it wants a market structure shift, perhaps I'll take it. Oh, this is what I was talking about, like what I just talked about on the higher time frame. Like, I want to see something like that for it to continue higher, and that's exactly what it did right here. So I'm not exactly sure if I want to sell this. Honestly, it looks like a trap. I found the DXY sus. It's a little sus, a little bit, but I think it's like, so it already took Asian low, right? It took Asian low. We're this is a 4-hour BISI. So if we come lower and then we break above this high, we're probably gonna go bearish on EU. You took a buy on NQ, bro. Listen, I don't know. I just know that I've gotten cooked a million times taking buys like these. So be careful, bro. I mean, look where the fuck we're at. Like, holy shit. Like, this is premium right here. You want to take a buy down here, not up here. Is my opinion. You want to take the sell? We'll see. You know? It's most likely going to buy, I'm not going to lie. Like, minimum up here. If it's going to buy, it's minimum going to go up here. I don't think we're going to have a sell setup. I don't think we're going to have a sell setup. This is like my cognitive intuition right now. Like, okay, just hear me out, right? We took this. We took all this. We're starting the market structure. Once it takes this high out, there's a market structure shift on GU. Okay. This is an order block on the daily chart. This is a BISI. Everything is telling me this is gonna go bullish. And honestly, I'd have to wait for price to come like down here type shit for me to take a buy. But honestly, I don't really want to take buys on GU today. Took it at 935. Oh, okay. For sure. Damn. Got it all the way down here. Boom. I mean, I don't really know what's your confluence. Because, I mean, honestly, this whole time I was bearish on Nas, because we have all this fucking sell side down here. But like GU, Nas just came from taking out sell side, so you know, this can 100% stay clean. And then it took Asian lows, took these relatively equal lows right here, started microstructure shifting up here. Yeah, you could have aimed for this high, but the fact that you're still in it is crazy. That's crazy. Okay, hear me out. What if price takes out buy side? Alright. Comes back down to a discount. But I take the sell to the discount. That's maybe what can happen, perhaps. Like, take it to this low. But, you know, I'm still waiting for something to happen. Dude, it's already 7:30. That's crazy. That's like opposition shit. Okay, so YM just took out this high. Yeah, I'm about to sell YM. I'm about to sell YM to the ground. Okay, yeah, it's happening. I'm about to sell YM to the ground. I've been waiting for this. I've been waiting. This 4 hour also doesn't even have a bottom wick. It also filled in, or it might fill it in. So imbalance right there. I'm not gonna lie, I want to sell WAM. There's a fair value gap right here. I want to see price respect it. I honestly got tired of that yellow fair value gap. I don't like it. WAM is my nemesis. That's funny. Price found support in a weekly fair value gap. You enter on a 15-minute bearish order block. Yeah, I saw that 15-minute order block. Good shit. I know a guy, a friend, that just took that buy. That's why I know what order block you're talking about. I didn't take it. Is it hot there? What do you mean? Like where I live? It's fucking hot as shit. I have the AC on like 24/7. What's the difference between fair value gap and BISI? A fair value gap is just a gap in the market. A BISI is a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, and a SIBI is a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Wait, what did I just say? Hold on. A BISI is a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. A SIBI is a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Didn't I just say that? Okay, I'm tripping. I'm really tired. Listen. This is a BISI right here. This is a BISI. It's also a fair value gap. And then this is a SIBI because it's bearish. Okay. I mean, I don't want to flame you, but you should know this if you're watching my live stream. It's okay. I don't want to flame you. I don't want to take, bro. Listen, I know this is a market structure shift, but I am not taking GU without taking buy side. Period. Like, I don't even care that it took these buy side right here. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, DXY is having like this corrective little channel right here. But I don't know, this just seems bullish as hell. Like, where would it even go? Where would YM go? Let me know. Like, for real. Where the hell would it go? To this high, maybe. This is a weekly inversion for value gap right here. You see this BISI? That's a BISI. This is an inversion for value gap right here. So you know what? I'm kind of interested in taking sells if it taps that. Bro, I'm dying. I'm here in Australia. Dude, I want to go to Australia, but I heard there's a lot of spiders and humidity, so I'm staying away from that bitch. Bro, they're literally all just the same as the fair value gap then. What makes them different? I mean, it's not like they're all fair value gaps. They're all gaps. It's just they're different names. Like BISI is for a buy because it's bullish, and then SIBI is for a sell because it's bearish. Selling, bullish, B as in bullish. I don't know, man. Just go watch the fucking mentorship, bro. I don't like. SIBI and BISI is the same as for value gap. Just ICT trying to sound smart. I treat them the same. I use them as targets and price. Yeah. Bro, GU running. I don't give a fuck. I'm not taking GU. Like, GU can run all it wants, bro. I'm not taking that shit. I'll take EU. But I'm not taking GU. Hell no. I'm good. I'm kind of sad that I didn't take it. No. It didn't follow my plan. Why would I take this? This is definitely coming for these lows. But why would I take this? It didn't take buy side. I'm not taking that. I'll take EU for sure. Yeah, I'll take EU. But I'm not taking GU. Who asked, man? Chill, conflict, chill. Can you explain the EU entry? Um, I haven't had an entry, but if I were to take EU, I take it right here, and yeah, market structure shifts. Bada boom, bada bang. On the 5 minute, okay, I'm kind of confident in taking EU because we have so much sell side to take out. And honestly, it can come to this fair value gap. I'll take it here. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna still take it to this low, but my drawn liquidity is down here. He's the king of who asked, bro. You're funny. Yeah. So I'm gonna take a position. Like normally, I'd wait for a premium, like up here. Should I just take it here though? Like, I don't know. I kind of want to. I want to see how it reacts to it. So it just tapped it. But yeah, if it touches the second one, I'm getting in. If it comes back down to the bottom of that fair value gap, I'm also getting in. Alright, got in right there. Right there. My stop is like 13.5 points. Okay, well I guess it just wanted to tap that. That's fine. Um, Today's actually your birthday, bro. Happy birthday, man. Happy birthday to you, buddy. I told you about NQ because it found support in a weekly fair value gap. I meant monthly fair value gap. Oh, word. Okay. Where's the stop loss? Up here. It's above that high. Or just saying last week, if price supported in the fair value gap, you would see prices bullish. For NQ. Dude, Jesus Christ, bro. What the hell is going on? See, I don't like when NQ is bullish and EU is going bearish. Dude, technically my take profit should be right here. Like, technically. I just don't like the fact that EU had a way stronger reaction and EU is still baby moving. This tells me I'm not in the right market right now. I don't really trust EU like that right now. How old are you turning, Bar Ovadia? I wouldn't be surprised if you're 55. I'm just kidding. How old are you though? Dude, this is what I was looking for YM. Wow, but it never played out anyways. I mean, you'd have to wait for price to get up here. This gives me the confidence that EU is gonna go bearish. Oh shit, you're turning 20? I'm 19, so I'm turning 20 next year. Bro, conflict be saying I love you to everybody, for real. Low sound, turn your volume up. I'm just talking really low. I think I'm gonna take like half off here, bro, because this is a 50% level and price tends to react at the 50% level, and I don't really want to be in this trade if it's gonna just take me out of break even again. But at the same time, price can come up here to this 5-minute fair value gap and then continue lower, but I don't want to see it do that. I just want it to like just straight down, you know. Conflict, you're funny, bro. You funny Aussie. Dude, like, I don't understand why it can't just give me some BBC. Like, why do these candles have to be like 1 point? Bro, come on. Like, GU had great BBC. Bro, come on, bro. Like, EU gotta step its game up for real. Like, real shit. EU gotta step its game up. It sounds like someone's bouncing a basketball. Is it this sound? Is it that? Because this is my mouse. Or my trackpad. That's the sound of my trackpad. Are you at break even? No. I mean, if it really wants to, it could come up like to here. Price is probably going to use this as an inversion and then come up here and then drop lower. That's what I expect. That's what I'm anticipating. But at the same time, we have this 5 minute right here, so I don't want to just get out, but I know that there's a 5 minute fair value gap right there, so I'm not going to be a scaredy cat or anything, but you know, I'll weather the drawdown. It's fine. Like, if anything, I can add another position right there for like half the risk. Dude, I just don't like how GU went so low, but EU didn't want to go at all. It's just telling me that EU's bullish, for real. But it's close to tapping this. Alright, so it's right there. It's such a random place to bounce. But I guess. This would be like inducement right here. But if I see that price is obviously going against me, like respecting bullish fair value gaps, then I'm gonna get out. I wish I took GU, but I'm not taking a trade that goes against my plan, for real. Like, GU looked good and everything, but it didn't take out buy side like I wanted it to. Like, obviously, this hindsight, this is beautiful, but it would have been even more beautiful if it would have just took out buy side up here. You know, so right now I'm back at break even. So yeah. Only trust EU, right? What do you mean? Dude, YM looks really nice for some sells. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie. Dude, I just need EU to bust a move for me, like, for real. Um, but obviously this trade isn't gonna play out in 7 minutes, so I'm gonna end the live stream, and if and when this trade plays out, I'm gonna make a trade recap, and then yeah, but I'm in the stream in like 5 minutes. Somebody summon bees. I miss my boy bees, man. Yes. Still has a little bit to go. Alright, I want to see price respect the hell out of this. What the hell? What the hell was that? Anyways, I want price to respect this. I don't want it to fill it in. I really don't, but you know, it's a possibility. But yeah, this would be like 5 minute silver bullet sells. If price gets up here, I want this next candle to engulf this current candle. I was gonna say this is a breaker, but it's not, because it had to make a higher high and then a higher and then a lower low type shit. Where's the midnight open? Came down higher. So the midnight open is right here, and you know, technically the entry is above the midnight open, so I think this can go bearish here. So I really like this midnight open right here. Let him cook. Even if this will be lost, you followed your rules. I agree, but let's not manifest losses. A major struggle was overlotting and over trading, also revenge trading. I feel you. I feel you. My major struggle is impatience, and I'm starting to overcome it. I'm starting to become a lot more patient with my trades. Fuck. Yeah. I like that it respected this little order block here. But I still wouldn't be surprised if price wanted to come up here because this is like engineering liquidity. Price wanted to come and tap the 5-minute SIBI right here and then continue lower. I'm just mad that GU. I'm not mad, but like I'm fucking pissed. I'm just saying. I'm just mad that GU didn't like that GU moves way fucking more than EU, and then EU isn't even like halfway there. It's like a quarter of the way there, you know? So, but YM, I liked YM for some sells, but it never gave an entry, even if I wanted to. So, yeah. Dude, this whole fucking candle's 60 points. Or 50 points. That's crazy. What I do like about EU right now is it's showing that it's struggling to go higher. So, at least, you know. Okay, now that I said that, it's probably gonna fucking rocket. But yeah, I was thinking about moving my stop a little bit higher, to like up all the way up here, but actually, you know what, on my MT4 it's at the high. I don't know why it's like if you look at the MT4. Hold on. If you look at the MT4, it's like at the high, like, and it's 13.5 pips. But like on here, like this is the same entry, and it's 13.5 pips, but it's like it's not at the high. It doesn't make sense, but you know, it's still at the high. So how much is stop loss in pips? I just answered your question, buddy. Telepathically, I'm like that. I'm just simply like that. I need EU to start dumping already, man. But yeah, it's already 8 o'clock, so I'm gonna end the stream, and then I'm gonna post a recap after this trade is finished, win or loss. I'm not gonna move my stop loss because I know for a fact that this SIBI can definitely get filled in. But once we reach like down here, I'm definitely gonna go break even. But yeah, my full take profit is not down here. Full take profit is a 103. I'm not holding for longer. I think on my MT4 I actually moved it down there. Yeah, it's down here, but I'm not gonna hold that long. So my full TP is gonna be like 1500 or some shit, like down here. So yeah. But I hope you enjoy the fucking live stream. So that's gonna be it, man. So yeah. Thank you for tuning in. See you, Joe Trades. Goodbye, Borrow Video. Happy birthday, my G. See you, Cello. Yeah, man. Peace.